This is how you can install polarizer to a LED ring light. First, remove the cap. Put the LED ring light over the polarizer. We're going to put this ring adapter back on and screw it tight. When it's ready and secure, this is the time you can put this whole LED ring light with polarizer adapter onto the zoom lens like this. So this is another view, and then you just turn the thumb screw to secure the light on the zoom lens. There are 3 thumb screws, and you can adjust them independently. And when they are secure, you see this is all in one piece. LX100 zoom lens, LED ring light, and polarizer. And to use it, you would just turn this ring at the bottom to get a polarizing filter effect. Just turn this ring at the bottom.